Okay, so today we're going to be doing a what's on my iPhone tag. So yeah, I have the iPhone 5. I think it's the 5S. This is my old phone, but my 6 is broken, unfortunately. In my first video, you saw, you heard that I had the iPhone 6, but I broke it by an accident, right after that video. So, yeah, but anyway, yeah, this is it. I just have this otter box on it. It's this silver one. Yeah, I just have this pink otter box. My screen's really dirty, sorry about that. But, yeah, this is it. My my lock screen is just a picture of my dog. And then, that's Siri. And then I have a password. So, yeah. I would do my fingerprint, but I don't have it set on this one. My screensaver is just a picture of my brother when he graduated. Right here. As you can see. And then, okay, so I don't have very much on it at the moment. So, a lot of it's on my locked apps. So, on here, I have, on my bottom activity bar, I have Facebook, extras, and videos. Then, right here, I have camera. I have camera, photos, calendar, emails, iTunes, news, weather, clock, messages, settings, health, app store, Safari, and phone. So yeah, it is 5:16 p.m. I have US Cellular. My battery's at, I think, 60 or 80%. And then over here on the second page, I just have iMovie and File. And then here are all my news things. So I have news stories, weather, Siri app suggestions, and up next, which is, it connects to my calendar. Obviously calendar is just a calendar. Email is just your emails. This is my inbox. So yeah. Photos. So you just have all your albums. All my albums. You have all photos, favorites, people, places, videos, selfies, live photos, time-lapse, slow-mo, bursts, screenshots, and recently deleted. My recently deleted, I have 0 pictures. My recently deleted. All my screenshots. Bursts, which I don't have very many. This is all my slow-mos. Not very many. My time-lapses, I only have 4. And they're just little silly things. All my live photos. Selfies. I have more selfies than anything, I think. All my videos. Slow-mo, bursts, and everything. Not bursts. Slow-mo and time-lapse and everything. This is just my places. It's like a map. People. Favorites, I only have 4. And all my photos, I have 784 pictures. Yeah, those are all my pictures. Camera is just camera. We have slow-mo and all that. I have my clock and my weather. App store is just where you download everything. Newsstand is just where you, local news and everything. iTunes store, which is where you download music. My messages, here are my text messages. Don't have very many people on here at the moment. My phone, here are all my contacts. Here are all my contacts. That's all my contacts. then my Facebook doesn't want to load, but there's my Facebook. And iMovie, which is what I use to edit, which I delete everything that I edit though. So yeah, that's my iPhone. It's a very good phone, and yeah. Bye everybody, Gucci Slimes is out.